So please write down the homework first for exercise 9A. Okay, exercise 9A. So we have done quite a few level 2 questions yesterday. Remember? Okay, so sometimes we need to add a line to form a parallelogram and a triangle. Okay, and but for the homework, I would like you to do some level 1 questions first. Okay, so that should be question number 4 to number 12. Number 4 to number 12. So all of them are level 1 questions. I would like to make sure you have learned the basic techniques for using the sine formula. Okay, so please submit through the Math app system. It's okay, and 2 working days. So please submit on Friday. Okay. But today I would like to start a new section. So that is about the second formula. So let's go to page 9.17. 9.17. So we are going to learn about the cosine formula. The second formula. The setting is like this. The setting. If we have a triangle, okay, and triangle ABC. So I think I have talked about this with you. Okay, if we know, for example, one angle and one length, 2 lengths. Okay, but the given angles and lengths cannot form one pair of corresponding length and angle, then we cannot use the sine formula. If we cannot use the sine formula, then we must use the cosine formula. There is no third choice. Okay, it's only 2 choices. Either sine formula or cosine formula, okay, to find angle or find length， 得唔得？一係揾邊，一係揾角啦，而家係嘛？如果揾面積嘅話咧，我哋就會用之後咧，仲有2條公式嘅。但係如果揾邊長同埋角度嘅時候咧，我哋就要睇下我哋有冇一 pair 已知嘅邊長角度組合。如果有一 pair 已知嘅邊長角度組合嘅話咧，我哋就會用 Sine Formula 去到列式計數。但係如果冇嘅，好似呢度咁樣，係嘛？呢一隻角係望住呢條邊，知角唔知邊，跟住呢條邊係俾 angle C 望住嘅，知邊但係唔知角。呢條邊係俾 angle B 望住嘅，都係知邊但係唔知角。係咪冇一 pair 已知嘅邊長角度組合？咁嘅時候咧，我哋就會用 Cosine Formula 啦。OK， 嗱，仲有第二個 case 喎，就係咧，如果今次佢知道嘅係，呢個係三角形啊。OK，triangle ABC 呢個三角形，如果今次咧知道一條邊、2條邊、3條邊嘅話咧，係咪都係冇一對已知嘅邊長角度組合啊 ？OK， 咁嘅時候咧，我哋都係用唔到 Sine Formula。就要用 cosine formula 啦 ，get 到啊！可呢度，我覺得好清晰嘅呢一個分辨嘅方法，呢個辨別嘅方法好清晰嘅，得唔得 ？OK， 你記咗佢，到時咁樣諗一下，就知道應該用 sine formula 定係用 cosine formula 去到計數噶啦。O 唔 OK？ 好啦，但係 cosine formula 係點嘅咧？我未講喎。cosine formula 咧都有兩個版本嘅，兩個版本啊。第一個咧係要嚟計邊長嘅，咁咧佢好似 Pythagoras theorem 咁樣嘅 ，C square is equal to A square plus B square. This is Pythagoras theorem. But Pythagoras theorem is for us to use in right-angled triangle. But if the triangle in form 5 is not a right-angled triangle, then we cannot use Pythagoras theorem. And we will start with this c square equals a square plus b square, but minus 2ab cosine angle c。OK， 即係好似不是定理咁樣開始 ，c 二次等於 a 二次加 b 二次。不過咧，由於佢唔係直角三角形嚟嘅，我哋要減翻走一大嚿嘢。呢大嚿嘢係咩嚟㗎？就係 2ab cosine angle c。呢條係 cosine formula 啊嘛，係嘛？咁所以就要有 cosine 喺度嘅咯。你就要記得個 cosine 喺邊個位嘅咯喎。OK， 邊個做 A， 邊個做 B 冇乜所謂嘅，最緊要係睇下邊個做 C 嘅啫。OK，angle C 係咩意思啊？就係已知嗰隻角，已知嘅角就係頭先所謂嘅 angle C 啦。咁咧 length C 就係 angle C 望住嗰隻角，即係呢一隻咧就係做 C 嘅 length C。咁邊個做 A， 邊個做 B 咧？另外兩條邊啊，邊個做 A， 邊個做 B 咧？冇所謂嘅咁樣。OK，sorry， 得唔得？好啦，第二個 case 咧就陣間先講。一係講埋啦，講埋呢度得唔得？如果係呢一隻嘅揾邊長嘅 ，to find length。OK，if you want to find length。Then we will make the c square to be the subject, and then c, the length c, will be the square root of the right-hand side. Okay, this is to find length. Okay, if we want to find angle, then we will use the other format of cosine formula. That will be like this: cosine angle c is equal to a square plus b square minus c square over 2ab. Okay, this is the second format of cosine formula. Okay, if we want to find this angle, angle C, then which side being A and which side being B does not matter. What matter is which side being length C. Okay, if I want to find this angle, then this is angle C, and this angle is looking at this length AB, and this length AB should be placed, I mean the number here should be placed in the position of C. And then this one, length BC and length AC, so one of them will be length A, the other will be length B. Okay, which one is A, which one is B, doesn't matter. Okay， 得唔得？最緊要揀啱咗咧，係減嗰個 term， 減 C 二次嗰個 C 究竟係邊條邊嚟到做個 C 嘅咧？就係我哋而家想計嗰隻角望住嗰條邊，就係做個 C 啦。OK， 得唔得 ？To find angle, we will make cosine angle to be the subject first, and then do the calculation on the right, and finally we will use shift cosine at the right hand side as the angle C. 得唔得？揾邊長，我哋寫咗 C 二次做 subject 先。咁因為佢二次嚟噶嘛，咁陣間就要開方啦。OK， 好啦，跟住揾角度，我哋寫咗 cosine 嗰啲角先，跟住計咗右手邊啦。然之後咧，我哋揾角度嘅話咧，就要 shift cosine 去撳機啦，得唔得 ？OK， 好啦，咁跟住我哋睇呢條題目咯。Example 7。Oh, match app link. Please wait. Some student asked me to send the match app link. So this is the match app link. Okay. Okay, example 7. In triangle ABC, B is 28 cm, C is 40 cm, and angle A is 35 degrees. Find A, correct to 3SF. Find length, okay? Find length. So, the given number, 28, 35 degrees, and 40 cm, cannot form one pair of corresponding length and angle. Can you see this? 係嘛？呢三個已知嘅數字咧，係 form 唔到一對嘅邊長角度嘅組合嘅係嘛 ？OK， 咁嘅時候咧，我哋就用唔到 Sine Formula 啦。用唔到 Sine Formula， 我哋就要用 Cosine Formula 啦。OK，sorry，Cosine Formula 係點樣㗎？就係 C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cosine angle C。OK， 揾邊長嘅今次係嘛？揾邊長嘅。咁今次咧呢個嗱呢條公式嚟嘅，跟住喺呢一題裏邊啦，揾即係要求嗰條邊長就係要嚟做 subject 嘅，咁即係 A 啦 ，A square。然之後咧另外兩條邊就係 B 同A 同埋 B 啦，即係28 cm square plus 40 square and then minus 2 times A times B and then cosine angle C that is 35 degree. Okay, can you get this? And then you just take square root on the right hand side. Okay, 28 square plus 40 square minus 2 times 28 times 40 times cosine 35 degrees. And then square root, it should be 23.43287052. Okay, so if you correct to 3SF, it should be 23.4. Okay, and do we have units? Yes, because the A itself does not have a unit. So the length of BC should have a unit cm. So A should have the unit cm here. Can you get this? 得唔得？就咁用條公式嘅啫。嗱 ，DSE 就係咁樣樣噶啦，得唔得？即係我話最難嗰題嘅 A part 就係咁樣樣噶啦。你望清楚究竟係邊條邊打邊條邊，諗清楚用邊條公式去到列式，跟住計數，咁就係有2分噶啦。OK， 好，so I would like you to try to do the instant rule number 7. Instant rule number 7 now. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. And please remember to submit to the Math app your classwork. Okay, have you done? Let's check the answers. So part A, so X is 9.13 when you correct the answer to 3SF. And then part B, it should be 16.5. Is that okay? Next one. Example number 8. On the next page. Example 8. In triangle ABC, A is 14 cm, B is 9 cm, and C is 123 degrees. Solve the triangle. Do you still remember what is the meaning of solving the triangle? It is to find all the remaining lengths and angles. Okay. First, what we have now is 14 cm, 9 cm, and 123 degrees. But they cannot form a pair of corresponding length and angle. So we cannot use the sine formula. Okay, so we are going to use cosine formula to start. So this is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, which are 14 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 14 times 9 times cosine 123 degrees. Okay, and then C will be equal to calculator. And that is 20.35310.878. Okay, and when it is correct to 3SF, C is equal to 20.4 cm. It's okay, 20.4 cm. So that is the first answer. But we still need to find the other answers. Okay. 嗱咁廖姐先講。Next, now I found angle length C. I still need to find this angle A and angle B. Okay, but one by one. But when we have found length C, we can use the sine formula, right? Because I have one pair of known corresponding length and angle. Okay, and then we can use the second pair to find the angle A. Can you get this? So sine, I want to find angle A, so sine angle A over 14 is equal to C. So that is 20.35310.878 divided by sine 123. Sorry, I swapped. It should be the sine 123 degrees should be on the top. Okay, and then divided by the length, length C. Okay, and then sine angle A is calculated by sine 123 degrees over that length and then times 14. And then sine angle A will be this. Sine angle A is equal to 0.576884253, which means that angle A will be shift sine. Shift sine this number should be 35.23 something. Degrees, okay? And when it is correct to 3SF, it should be 35.2 degrees, okay? 3SF. All right? But we still have angle B to find, right? But angle B will be easy because we already found angle A and angle C is given. So angle B can be found by using angle sum of triangle. So angle B is equal to 180 degrees minus 123 degrees minus 35.23169465 degrees. Okay, so that should be 21.7 something. Degrees. And when it is correct to 3SF, it should be 21.8 degrees. Is that okay? 好，呢度有冇同學睇到我做漏咗一樣嘢？我 check 漏咗一樣嘢，應該話 ，OK？ 有冇同學有懷疑到我 check 漏咗一樣嘢頭先？就係咧，記唔記得我講過咧？用 Sine Formula 去到計 angle 嘅時候，用 Sine Formula 去到計 angle 嘅時候，我哋永遠都有第二個可能性先嘅，係咪？即係話咧 ，angle A 頭先咧係咪等於35.2316945度？我哋應該咧係有個angle A 係等於180度減呢一個嘅，係嘛？即係應該係144點幾度嘅。OK， 咁但係呢一隻角咧，當然啦，你一睇就知道咧，加翻 given 嗰隻123度就已經遠大過180度啦。亦即係話呢一個咧係 rejected 嘅咁樣樣。OK， 即係話咧，其實咧呢一度咧呢一句啊，如果咁樣寫翻嘅話咧，係會好啲。咁但係如果你漏咗 reject 呢一個嘅話咧，今次呢一題都冇問題嘅。OK， 即係唔會話扣分嘅呢一題啊，得唔得？因為呢一個咧真係要 reject 噶嘛，係嘛 ？OK， 即係如果需要 reject 嗰啲，你冇寫到出嚟要 reject 嘅話咧，你直接唔寫佢嘅話咧，其實都 OK 嘅。不過我擔心有一啲題目嘅話咧，就係佢真係唔需要 reject， 真係有兩個答案嘅時候咧，我覺得你即係習慣咗係寫兩個答案出嚟先，然之後睇下使唔使 reject 嘅話咧，就會好啲啦，咁樣樣。OK， 所以咧我都建議你咧寫埋 or 嗰部分嘅，得唔得 ？or 即係 angle A 就180度減計數機嘅數字呢一部分嘅。OK，so now I would like you to do the instant drill number 8. Please do instant drill number 8 now. Give you 3 minutes. Okay, have you done? So now in triangle ABC, A is 16 cm, C is 8 cm, and angle B is 134 degrees. Solve the triangles, which means that we need to find out all the remaining lengths and angle. Okay. First, we check the conditions. We have length, angle, length, right? But they cannot form a pair of corresponding length and angle. So we cannot use the sine formula. So we need to use the cosine formula to find the length first. Okay, so B squared is equal to 16 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 16 times 8 cosine angle B. So that should be 134 degrees. Okay, and then using a calculator, 16 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 16 times 8 times cosine 134. And then take square root, it should be 22.3 something. Okay, so when you correct to 3 SF, it should be 22.3. And we have a unit cm here. Okay, so this is the first length. And then when we have found this length B, this is found. Now we have one pair of known corresponding length and angle. Okay, and we can use the sine formula to find the angle A or find angle C first. Both are okay. I want to find angle A first. Okay, so sine angle A over 16 is equal to sine 134 degrees over 22.31216132。好啦，呢個咧再解釋少少先。因為咧，如果你見到我嘅話咧，成日都係抄晒啲數字㗎，係嘛？咁明明頭先咧嗰條 B 嘅邊長咧已經係即係 correct 咗3個 SF 嘅。咁點解我再做嘅時候又用翻一個長啲個數字咧？就係因為我哋用長啲呢個數字係更加準確啲嘅，係嘛？準多啲小數點位嘅話咧，即係更加準確。咁我哋要繼續計第二啲嘢嘅時候咧，用前面嘅答案繼續計第二啲嘢嘅時候咧，我哋係盡量攞翻一個更加準確嘅數值嚟到計嘅話咧，會好啲嘅。OK， 但係咧做答案嘅時候，即係頭先咧計個 B 啦，就攞3個 SF， 得唔得？做答案就按題目嘅要求攞3個 SF， 但係做完答案之後，仲要用呢個答案去計第二啲嘢嘅話咧，我哋就攞翻一個準確啲嘅數字去到列式計算。Okay, so sine angle A is equal to sine 134 degrees over this number times 16. Okay, so sine angle A is equal to this. And then angle A is equal to shift sine this number. That should be 31.053413 degrees. When it is the answer, you should correct to 3SF. It should be 31.1 degrees. Okay, and again, we should find the second possibility. Okay, it should be 180 degrees minus this. Okay, that should be 148. This number. But this number plus 134 degrees is already over 180 degrees. So this one should be rejected. Okay, so there is only one answer for angle A. That should be 31.1 degree. Okay, and we still need to find angle C, but angle C will be very easy. So angle C is 180 degrees minus angle B, that is 134 degrees, minus angle A. And we are going to use the more accurate number. Okay, so it should be 14.9 something, right? 946587 degrees When it is the answer, we should correct to 3SF, should be 14.9 degrees. So that is the answer for angle C. And that's all for this instant rule number 8. Is there any problems? Okay, if there is no more problem, then please remember that we are going to have a homework due this Friday. Okay, just number 4 to number 12. All of them are sine formula. Okay, so please submit to the Math app web system. So I will open the homework after this lesson. Okay, so if there is no more problem, then that is the end of this lesson and you may leave now. Goodbye.